Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. In our ESP series, we explore specialized terms used across different professions. Today, we're zooming in on project management.
In the world of project management, knowing the right terms can really set you apart. That's why today, we're focusing on some key terms every project manager needs to know: scope creep, risk mitigation strategy, stakeholders, and deliverables. Let's start with the term scope creep. A tech startup is working on launching a new mobile app that helps users manage their daily tasks more efficiently. The project team consists of software developers, a project manager, a marketing team, and a customer support team. The project manager outlines the initial scope of the app, which includes features like task scheduling, notifications, and cloud synchronization. The team agrees on a launch date and the resources allocated for these features. The marketing team suggests adding voice recognition and AI recommendations based on user behavior to make the app more competitive. The developers express concerns about the increased workload and potential delays. This exemplifies scope creep as the project's scope expands without adjusting timelines or resources. Scope creep refers to the uncontrolled expansion to project scope without adjustments to time, cost, and resources. Let me give you another example. In the middle of the VR game project, the team suggested integrating multiplayer functionality. This feature was not discussed before and it was brought up after the project has begun, leading to delays and budget overruns. This is an example of scope creep as it was not in the original plan. Let's move to the second term, risk mitigation strategy. A risk mitigation strategy involves identifying potential risks in a project and developing plans to reduce or eliminate their impact. Let me give you an example.
The project team is developing a new software feature for their client. They've just discovered that the feature is incompatible with older versions of the client's system, which could derail the deadline and lead to customer dissatisfaction. The team huddles around a laptop to discuss the issue. The project manager emphasizes the need for quick thinking and collaboration to devise a strategy. The project manager updated the customer and added a week to the timeline to address the issue. To avert future problems, the team also integrated buffer time into their schedule as a proactive risk mitigation strategy.
Moving to the third term, stakeholders. Stakeholders in a project are individuals or organizations that are actively involved in the project or whose interests may be positively or negatively affected by the project. Stakeholders in a project can vary widely. Some common examples include team members, project managers, investors, and senior management. And the last word, deliverables. Deliverables are goods or services produced as a result of a project that are intended to be delivered to a customer. I'll give you an example.
A marketing firm has been hired to overhaul the website for a local boutique. The project's goal is to enhance user experience, improve functionality, and increase sales through the website. After 2 months of hard work, the project manager presented the redesigned website to the boutique owner, highlighting the key deliverables: a mobile responsive design and an integrated online store. This is what we mean by deliverables: specific, tangible outcomes that fulfill the project's objectives.
Well, we've reached the end of our video. Today, we tackled 4 project management terms: scope creep, risk mitigation strategy, stakeholders, and deliverables. Thank you for joining me. I hope you found the explanations clear and useful. Got questions or want to suggest topics for future videos? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you're always updated with our latest content. See you next time.